For triangle inequality theorem 3, we will just follow this. A plus B is greater than C. Ano ba yon? Ito yung mga sides ng triangle. So, hindi ko ito lang yung sinunod natin. Pag inad na natin yung dalawang sides, tapos greater than the third side siya, tapos na. Hindi. We will consider all the sides. Okay? All the sum of the sides. Titignan natin lahat. So, we all know that there are 3 sides in a triangle. So, let us draw a triangle. Okay? So, let us name the sides as A and B and then C. This is A, B, and C. So, ulitin ko, hindi lang ko mo A plus B is greater than C. Ito lang i-add natin pag greater than the third side siya, yung C, tapos na. Hindi. So, ang gagawin natin, kailangan lahat yan ay kumbaga, check. Okay? I-check natin. So, A plus B should be greater than C. Okay? Tapos, pag inad natin yung A and C, A plus C should be greater than the third side, which is B. Tapos, itong dalawa, C plus B should be greater than A. Ayan. So, mukhang hindi A. Ayan. So, kailangan lahat siya na i-add natin. So, A plus B should be greater than C, A plus C should be greater than B, and C plus B should be greater than A. Pag lahat yan ay greater than the third side, ibig sabihin, yung given ay talagang iyon ang measurements ng sides ng triangle. Pero once na merong isa, kahit isa lang, na hindi na greater than, or let us say nag-equal siya or naging less than the third side, ibig sabihin, hindi na yon totoo na measurements ng sides ng triangle. Okay, so let us have this. Let us just answer this as true or false. 2, 3, and 4 ang given. So, titignan natin kung ito nga ay measurements ng triangle, sides ng triangles. Okay, let us add this. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. It is greater than 4. Okay, check yon. Next is 2 plus 4 is 6. It is greater than 3. Okay, check yon. Next is 3 plus 4 is greater than 2. Okay, check yon. Ibig sabihin, number 1 is true. Number 2, 4 plus 7 is 11. It is greater than 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. It is greater than 7. Next naman ito, 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. It is greater than 4. Okay, this is also true. Number 3, ito pa lang, bagsak na. 2 plus 2 is 4 and 4 is less than 7. So, hindi na siya pwede. So, kahit i-add mo pa yan, 9 is greater than 2, 9 is greater than 2, pero yung 4 is less than 7, so ito ay false agad. Okay. Next, 12 and 15, when we add these two, it is 27 and mag-i-equal sila sa 27. So, dun pa lang, bagsak na rin. So, ibig sabihin, this is false. Okay. Next, 5, 8, and 5. So, ito ay 5 plus 8 is 13. It is greater than 5. Okay. 5 plus 5 is 10. It is greater than 8. And then 8 plus 5 is 13. It is greater than 5. Ibig sabihin, it is, okay. Ibig sabihin, ang number 5 is true. To look at the measurements, this is an isosceles triangle. Kasi dalawang sides ay equal sa 5. So, ibig sabihin, two sides are congruent. Number 6, 3, 7, and 6. So, this is 10. It is greater than 6. 3 and 6 is 9. It is greater than 7. And 7 plus 6 is 13. It is greater than 3. Therefore, this is true. Number 7, pag tinignan mo to, ito 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 and 8 is equal to 8. So, hindi siya pwede. So, number 7 is false. Okay. So, ganun lang kadali yung triangle inequality theorem 3. So, ngayon, given yung dalawang sides, you're going to find the possible lengths of the third side. So, paano gagawin? May shortcut yan, pero before natin isabihin yung shortcut, gawin muna natin, mag-analyze muna tayo, no? We have these two measurements, 2 and 7. So, ano yung possible na length ng third side? So, question mark, okay? So, yung unknown natin, as always, ay yung si x. Ano na ba yung pwede? So, i-add natin tong dalawa. 2 and 7 is equal to 9. Okay. So, dapat, yung sum nito ay greater than the third side. So, 9, ano ba yung less than 9 para pumasok doon sa sinasabi natin na a plus b should be greater than c. So, yun ay 8. So, pwede rin na 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So, yun yung mga less than 9. Which is true naman. Tama naman to. Kaya lang, meron din tayong dapat na i-consider kasi pag in-add natin itong dalawang sides na to, dapat greater than this side din. 7. So, pag in-add natin to, ulitin ko, dapat ang sum nito ay greater than 7 din. So, kung 1 yan, kung 1 yung ilalagay natin dito, 2 plus 1 is 3 and it is less than 7. So, out na si 1. Burahin na natin yan. Tapos, si 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. It is also less than 7. So, out na rin to. Kung 3 naman, 2 plus 3 is 5. And it is still less than 7. So, out na rin si 3. Si 4, 2 plus 4 is 6. And still, it is less than 7. So, out na rin si 4. Si 5, 2 plus 5 is 7. Mag-i-equal sila sa 7. So, out na rin si 7. So, ito lang pala ang pwedeng maging measurements. 8, 7, and 6. Okay. Pwede yung gawin ninyo. Kaya lang, what if ang measurements na ay nasa hundreds na? So, iisa-isahin pa ba natin? Medyo nakakapagod yun, mga darling. So, hindi na yun ang gagawin natin. So, ang gagawin na natin dyan ay hanapan natin ng shortcut. Okay, so ano yung magiging shortcut lang nito? Ito lang ang gagawin natin. So, lagyan natin yung x dito. Okay? Kung gusto ninyo, pwede tayo mag greater than dito, or kung ayaw ninyo, pwede naman mag less than or less than pareho. Okay na bahala. Pero para uniform lang, ito na yung gagawin ko. Less than and less than. Okay? Ang gagawin natin, ang shortcut lang niyan, ano ilalagay natin dito, saka dito. Ma'am, bakit po dalawang ganyan yung ilalagay natin? Kasi may boundary. Kung makita naman natin kanina, may mga measurements na hindi pwede nating isama dito. Ano gagawin natin? So, 2 plus 7, i-add natin to. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. And yun lang ang lalagay natin dito. 9. And then we subtract 7 and 2 is equal to 5. So, yun na. Kung i-interpret natin to, yung value ng x should be greater than 5 but less than 9. So, we have 15 and 32. So, mahaba-haba yan kung iisa-isahin natin. So, sa shortcut na tayo. So, lagyan na natin yan ng ganyan. Okay? So, 32 minus 15 is 17. And then, 15 plus 32 is 47. So, kung interpret ulit natin yan, ibig sabihin, yung values nito, possible lengths, should be greater than 17 but less than 47. Ma'am, pwede po ba yung 46.5? Pwede, kasi it is still less than 47. Ma'am, pwede po ba yung 17.1? Pwede, kasi it is greater than 17. And 17.1 is still greater than 17. Measurement pa rin yan kahit na may decimal number. Okay? So, yung ganun lang kadali yan. Ma'am, kung ayaw ko po ng less than, paano pong gagawin ko? Kung ayaw nyo yan, pwede rin naman. Ang gagawin lang natin dyan ay, so 47 is greater than x. It should be greater than x, but x should be greater than 17.